Well, guess what time it is? It's lily time. What is on your window? I don't know. But yeah, it's lily time. Again, it's lily time every night of the week. Isn't it, Lil? Hey, I'm here. Oh, you're toasty warm. You are so toasty warm. You are. Is it that my hands are cold? No, you're actually toasty warm, aren't you? Hey? As you nice and warm? What do you think? Coming out again? Again. Again and again and again and again, guys. That's silly. So I might, just sort of chat to you a bit about, how much time is too much time out? Is there a kind of a time frame that you should allow your snake to be out? Or is there no such thing as a time frame? I've got to say, it's got to be about your snake. If you have a snake that is just so not used to it, of course, keeping them out and forcing them to be out is certainly the wrong thing to do. You just would not do it. Because you know that you're forcing them to be out, that you are stressing them out, that you are making them be out, and it's not by their personal choice. So, no. But that doesn't mean that you don't allow them to be out at all. Sorry guys, I had to stop for a brief second there, but I was talking about how long is long enough and so forth, and saying that if you've got a snake that isn't used to being out, then you're not going to force them, and that is the absolute truth. But when you've got a snake that is at that point that they willingly come out, that there is no force issue, there is no making them come out at all, that you are just letting them come out, then it doesn't matter. It really does not matter. And I leave the door open. The enclosure door is open, so if any of my snakes want to go back home, and especially the ones that are here, they can go back home. That is their choice to make, completely. I just let them make that choice. So there's never a force. If anything, I feel terrible because I feel like I force them to go home. And that can be, and I'm telling you that is, Lily will come out. I'm going to let it go up because I know that is where Lily wants to go, but I've kind of moved things a little bit. Sorry, I've moved things around because I've been fiddling around in here today. She's probably thinking those things aren't meant to be there, Mum, and they're in my way and where I go, but she'll figure it out okay. But yeah, it is about Lily when she comes out, and she can be out from 6 o'clock in the morning, guys, and I'm not handling her as such. I say my hello and she comes over and she greets me, and she might crawl on me for a little while and say her hello, and then she goes off and she explores because they're so curious. And I let Lily go off and I let her explore, and in the process of that she will make her way to where she wants to go, she'll find a nice little spot and she'll curl up and she'll go to sleep. So, and I don't see her move. You know, she might do a little bit of an explore initially and check things out. Once she's gone, oh, everything's still where it is, and yeah, okay, that seems all good. Then she goes and, you know, she'll settle up there in the hangout spot. I've seen her settle up there, and I've seen her settle in that basket, which I haven't put that video up yet, but I will. But Lily will find a spot where she's comfortable, and that's where she'll stay all day. And then, you know, I'm starting, thanks, Lil, but that's okay. You know, for me, it's about putting her back home is the issue, because she does not want to go back home. That's the end of the story. She's the one who says, this is 9 o'clock at night and I'm tired. And for her, fortunately for her, I haven't had to go anywhere. I haven't had to put her back in earlier. But even that 9 o'clock at night, and I go and I get her, and she knows, well, you're grabbing me because you are going to put me home, aren't you? And I must say, she doesn't fight me to stay where she is, but she'll grip with her tail. But eventually she realises, okay, and she'll let go and she'll come over onto my shoulders and I'll put her in her home. And it's not like I force her to go in there, but I know it's really not something that she wants to do. So, you know, for a snake that is well adjusted to being out with you and out in your home, there is no time frame. No time frame at all. Let them make that choice themselves. Because I know I certainly let Lily do it. I let Jack do it. I let Jessie do it. And, you know, even Maya, you know, she hops up there. She's up there for ages. But I might only leave her out for an hour or so, and then I'll put her back home. I've really, in some ways, got to really keep my eye on Maya all the time. Lily and Jack, you know, visually so visible all of the time. Tessa, she comes out and, you know, I'll keep her out with me for half an hour, sometimes longer, especially if we go outside, but she's still a little bit nervous out. A Pani, I don't let her free roam, she's too little, but she gets to free roam here, around me, and so does Amaya. But these big guys, that's up to them. Totally up to them, isn't it, Lil? As to how long. He? And Lily will be out for a couple of hours with me tonight until I'm ready to go have my shower. So, yeah. She's going to go up there, I think. And check out up there for a little while tonight. And that's okay. Hey, Leo. Hey, you're quite happy on the little baby's hangout spot, I call it. You're a big baby. Hey, oh, I can't go up that high. You're the big baby. Are you not? High as Lily can go, Lily will go. I need a longer selfie stick. There's that camera. There's the camera. Well, I do need a longer selfie stick. I've only got the little one on, but I wasn't really expecting Lily to be up so high, and I'm trying to eat, which I'll get there, I guess. But there you go, guys. Big snake, comfortable snake, knows its surroundings, been coming out forever and a day. Let them decide how long they want to be out for. If you're not going anywhere, chill with your snake. Yeah, just chill with your snake. Only time I put Lily back home is if I'm going out, if I'm going to bed. And if I'm having a shower, Lily will come with me. So even then, she doesn't get to go home a lot of the time. So yeah, it's life here, and it is life with my snakes. It's the way I do it. It works. My snakes are happy, I think, because they don't whinge at me. They don't bite me. They don't try and bite me. So I guess they must be happy. You happy, Lil? Or can Mum get up higher and get a close up of you and not block that light? And come and say hello to everybody. Say hi. It's Lily. Lily. Isn't it? Is that you? Hey girl. I'm trying to get out of the light so we can see your face. There's your face. So guys, I'm going to say take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Take care of your snakes, your iguanas, your geckos, your monitors, your ball pythons. You know, the list is massive. Your spiders. So many people love their spiders. They're not reptiles, but they love them. So whatever animal you have, whatever amazing creature that you have, that we've been so lucky to have in our lives, take care of them. Do you agree, Leo? That everybody should most definitely take care of them? I think they should. Okay, guys. Ciao.